That this may be the only female vocalist in the world who could rival Celine Dion.
She's incredible, isn't she?
Ladies and gentlemen, my favorite singer of all time, REGINE Velasquez.
But REGINE will always be REGINE. There's only one REGINE. And that's that little girl from the province called Velasquez.
Bata ako, pinangarap ko lang magkaroon ng TV. Hindi ko pinangarap na balang araw, ako ang mapapanood sa TV niyo.
Proud ako sa pinanggalingan ko kung saan lupalop man ako nanggaling. Hindi ako nahihiya kasi parang pag ikinahiya ko yun, parang ikinahiya ko yung mga magulang ko, kinahiya ko yung sarili ko, kinahiya ko yung kung saan ako nagmula. Parang ang pangit.
Actually, yung driving force ko talaga sa buong buhay ko, sa buong singing career ko, is to be able to help my family. And I thank God that He chose me. He gave me this talent. It could have been Kakay.
Struggle pa rin. Akala ko nga, after bagong kampiyon, mababago na rin yung buhay ko and my dreams would all come true na, no? Na I'll be a recording artist na, I'll do concerts and stuff like that. Hindi pa rin.
Pops recommended her as one of the new artists to look out for. And when I went to the studio, I was listening to her rehearse. Yung kumanta siya, talagang my jaw was on the floor.
I-announce na yung first place. Everybody was saying, Manila, Manila. Mga taga-Hong Kong lahat yun. Accent naman.
Now, the winner of the Asia Pacific Singing Contest 1989 is... REGINE Velasquez of Manila. REGINE will be awarded a cash prize of US $5,000 and a special trophy. Congratulations, well done.